toast. The 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 toast.
You got a new case coming in from Texas by Aunt Marguerite.
No.
Sir?
No.
Ow, 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 ow. Andy, I'm stuck. So what has the toast been doing to you?
It's been giving me explosive, fiery diarrhea for these past 10 years.
Where did the first occurrence happen?
It was in that bathroom back there.
This is where the owner says she first experienced the activity. Looks like some kind of toast cult worship.
Oh my god. What was that? What was that? What?
Alright, let's get out of here.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
It's good. Alright, so we're gonna walk you to your car.
Alright, now that we've locked her outside for the night, let's begin. So far it is 2 a.m.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Did you see that? Oh my god, dude. Oh, I'm so scared right now.
Did I pull the car hard enough?
Oh my god! What?
So, it's kind of scary in there.
Yeah, the old lady said there's been some activity going on in there.
You don't say.
Yeah. Yeah, why don't you go ahead and check it out? We'll stay out here.
Oh god.
You got this.
Oh, so much. Guys. Oh no, they locked me in here. So much. Oh my god, I think I saw something. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You have no idea what I just went through.
What happened?
That toast had a knife. That toast had a knife.
Oh my.
And luckily I beat it. But that could have been bad.
You need to go to the hospital?
I think so. I'm traumatized. And I think he put butter on my face. Do I have butter on my face?
Yeah. Let's get close up here. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it. Oh yeah.
I can feel it.
Oh yeah, you can see it.
I can really feel it. Let's go to the ER.
What are you doing here? Did you go hunting for toast?
Oh, I'm on lunch break. Why are you typing so fast?
Playing Clash of Clans.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Well, you have fun with that. I still got another 20 minutes.
Of your break?
Yeah.
The one that you weren't actually scheduled for until like 2 hours? No.
Hey.
Where's your food at too?
Right here.
I guess I really can't complain. Anyways, we need you back on camera 3 because there's some activity going right now.
Hey. I got 20 minutes.
For the break that you weren't actually scheduled.
Daniel? Daniel, where'd you go? Daniel? Whoa. I think I heard something. Oh my god, I definitely heard something. I think it came from here. We're gonna check it out. Jared?
What?
Well, what are you doing here?
I got tired of Daniel's chewing. Daniel?
Hey.
Alright, we're gonna head to Aunt Marguerite's room and just walk.
Wait, is that a light?
Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. It's just a light. It's just a light, guys.
Dying
Alright.
light.
Nothing out of the ordinary here. Alright. Go ahead. We'll go ahead and head to the bedroom. Go ahead and
I heard this is where they used to make all the toast.
yeah.
But they never made it good, so it stayed here and haunted.
Now she did say she's been experiencing nightmares.
She probably ate a lot of burnt
Let's see
toast
if I
in here.
can get a reaction of some sort. I'm here, Toast. It's old Aunt Marguerite. Just laying on the bed. The bed's moving. Is this camera getting this? I don't know. There's definitely something going on here. Well, why are you haunting us? Why are you here? Leave Aunt Marguerite alone.
The toast. It's hot in the room.
All right, I'm sorry. I gotta get out of here. This is too much for me. It's too much for me. We gotta go to the stream. I'm sorry. This is too much. Too much.
My back. That toast didn't number on my back.
All right, I think we gotta go check out the kitchen.
Where's the prune juice?
I think someone's knocking on the door. Who could be at this late?
I'm back.
Oh, Jake?
Yeah. The hospital said it was fine, just a little well done.
Oh,
Do you know that old lady that's her house here?
oh yeah, the one that we threw outside.
Yeah, she's just screaming prune juice in the field.
Oh yeah. Just ignore her.
Okay. Weren't we supposed to take her to a hotel?
No.
Oh, good. All right. So, what's been happening while I've been gone?
We've had a lot of paranormal activity and paranormal toast activity.
It's the worst kind.
I know, but the cultist activity seems strongest in the bathroom. You want to go check it out?
I think we should. All right, let's go that way. I'll lead the way. I can't see. I think you should lead the way.
All right, I'm down.
Okay. Do you hear that?
What is that?
What is that?
Sounds like
It's like saran wrap.
bread.
Oh, okay. I think you should go first.
All right, leading the way in this one.
Bathroom.
I don't see nothing in the bathroom.
Wait, it's coming from the left.
Huh?
Just this way. What is it? You want to get toasted? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Toast! 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 I got him! You're gonna go have a seat. Toast! 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 Toast!
This is the interview of the bread man that we found in the closet.
So what were you doing in the closet?
Toast.
You ask him.
All right, if we're gonna approach this and we're gonna question him, we need to be smart about this. Good cop, bad cop.
Gotcha.
You want to be the good cop or you want to be the bad cop?
He said nice. I'll be the bad cop.
All right. What you doing here? Do you want anything? Can I get you anything?
Water.
Water? All right.
He's asking too much.
Cinnamon.
Who's this?
Jeff.
Yeah. What are we gonna do with Jeff?
Don't hurt Jeff. Don't.
What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here.
Then I'll leave. I'm sorry for my inconvenience.
Oh, thank you. Here's Jeff. All right. Here's Jeff. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Goodbye.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Well, that went pretty well.
You just say Jeff.
We didn't injure him.
All right. You're just kind of standing there.
It's time to leave. Leave. I'll go get Jerry. You can have Jerry. Yeah, you have to wait.
What was that?
You've been toasted.
Alright, we're gonna head towards the kitchen now. See if we get any activity over here. Whoa. What was that? What was that? Did you hear that?
No.
It's definitely something going on over here. I thought I heard something like soft, doughy bread slap up against something. But I'm not sure.
Whoa, guys, I'm here now.
Whoa. Good. Alright.
Did you hear that sound, by the way?
Um,
It's really scary, though.
can we get a camera on this?
Oh, is that plate?
What does it say?
Toast.
Pull up. Let me get a listen. This side. All right.
What's
Hold
it
up.
say?
Let's get a nice camera
Yeah,
shot.
I got it.
All right. Is it clear?
Yeah, it says Satan live.
What time?
I don't know. Check out the back.
That was nice.
It's a mess. There's no way Satan lives.
Some good toast.
I think we've defeated it.
Huh?
Yeah, is that
I don't hear any noises. I don't see any bread. I think this case is solved.
All right, Aunt Marguerite, I've got great news for you. That toast was easy. It's gone. You're never gonna ever see any trace of it ever again.
Well, that's good. That's good. You're not lying to me, are you?
No, I would never, and you'll never ever wake up next to a piece of toast.
Those were such kind boys. Getting that toast out of my house. I want to get that prune juice. Where's my there? It's my thing. That's my polo. Is someone there?